We got mother and daughter here. So that's Nala. Hi, Nala. And we got the Checkers here. That's her daughter. You both are acting like you're pregnant. Neither of you have come out yet today. Neither of you have come out today. You ready for me to get you to the barn? Huh? I swear I see teat formation. Would you guys just leave me alone? Every time. You just can't stop messing with me. Every time. I'm trying to check on the pigs. Seriously, leave me alone. See, I swear. Leave me alone. Oh, it's Elvis. Elvis is in the building. Oh, it's the boar. It's the boar. It's the boar. Oh, the boar. Oh, we just melted the boar. The big bad boar. Ow! Ow! Ow!